Tyson, what sound does B make?
Mm.
No, V makes
Mm.
What sound does D make?
C.
No, D.
This the
D. What sound does A make? A.
S A.
A says ah.
We say B.
B says buh.
S. What's the B?
B says buh.
So what I say?
S says
What I say?
ah.
What
Where's mommy?
the work?
She's at work? Where's daddy?
The work.
At work? Where's Brandon?
I
Brandon's at work?
go.
No, he's not. Do you have a blueberry stuck?
What's an animal?
Blueberries.
Yummy.
Yummy! You love blueberries.
That's yummy.
You're funny.
Eliza.
No, thank you.
I say.
Ah.
But B say.
Buh.
But D say.
Duh.
But D say.
D says that. What does K say? Good job.
What Bo say? What Bo say? What Bo say? What Bo say?
What does a cow say? What does a doggy say? Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.